My favorite skincare products from each brand at Sephora, Part 2, let's go shopping. This Avocado Ceramide Serum from Glow Recipe is lightweight and gentle. This Blue Algae Vitamin C Peel from Algenist is amazing for hyperpigmentation. Oh, and the whole internet is sleeping on Kiehl's, the Ultra Facial Cream slaps.